Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And take two. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I am doing a Kylie Jenner inspired look. Get ready with me on tour. She did this eye look right here. So if you want to see how I recreated it myself, please keep watching. I'm going to use my Morphe 35W palette for this. I'm going to start off by taking a fluffy blending brush and this color right here. Majority of this eye is going to be pretty simple because we want that pop of color in the inner corner. So we don't want it to be anything crazy. And I'm just placing this right underneath my brow bone in the crease, but just like also a little bit above the crease too. I'm just blending this out. And I'm working my way up towards my eyebrow. I even bring it into my nose contour. Now I'm going to start deepening it up, and I'm going to use this brown right here. And I am taking that in the crease as well. And I'm very light-handed with this. Concentrating it mostly on the outer corner of my eye, but I'm still bringing it in. I want a very blended look. So I'm going light, using very little product, and just building as I go. Now one more time to deepen it up, I'm going to take this brown down here. I am concentrating this on the outer corner, being very soft and light-handed. Now I'm going to switch brushes, and I'm taking a smaller packing brush, and I'm going to take that dark brown that we were just using, and I just want to smoke out the outer corner just a little bit, so I'm just tapping that in. Now I'm taking a blending brush with nothing on it, and I am just going to blend this out. Now taking that smudgy brush again, smudging brush, I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line. We're going to go straight in with this dark brown or medium brown, and I am just tapping it in as close to the lashes as I can get. So I tap it and then I smudge it. I don't know if you can really tell in the camera, but smoking out the bottom lash line just a little bit, I mean I haven't even finished, but it just makes such a big difference. It kind of helps the look all come together. Now I'm going to take that dark brown, the last brown that we used, and do the same thing, but I'm keeping it more on the outer corner of my eye. Now that that is done, I'm going to take this blending brush again with nothing on it, blend everything together. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take a very small pencil brush. I'm going to spray it with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Then I'm taking this hot pink right here. Sorry for the outfit change. That sweater was itching me to death. I had to get it off. But I am looking at my eyes and deciding that they're not popping as much as I would like, so I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to take this Milk Makeup blush. It's a like cream blush, and the same brush I've been using, I'm just going to dip that in there. I'm going to put that right where I've been putting the shadows. Much, much better. So now I'm going to take that pink again and just go over top of that. And I'm just patting because I don't want to move around any of the blush that I just put on. And voila, there you have it. I'm going to put liner on. It's going to be very, very thin. So, BRB. Now that I got my liner on, I'm going to take my Wander Beauty, what is this called? Eyeliner pencil. That's what it's called. It's the color Nudist. And I'm just going to put this in my bottom waterline. And this just helps your eyes look more awake. Now I'm going to take Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Now I'm going to blend my lashes in using my SMASHBOX X-Rated mascara. I'm going to use Kylie's Dulce K lip liner. And I just put that all over. And now I'm going to take Morphe's liquid lip in the color Schoolgirl. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned a new thing or two. I hope you guys try this look out yourselves. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me in any posts. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are alerted every time I upload a video, which as of right now, I'm feeling Tuesdays and Fridays will probably be my days that I upload. So stay tuned for more. Leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought about this video and what videos you guys want to see in the future. See you next time. Bye.